Hey folks, Bob here. Just going to do a quick video on, I have several of these Torchiere lights. Obviously with the halogen they're not safe, and I know that people aren't using them anymore really, but I have always liked this type of light. So what I did was I bought these LED panel lights. They're about 20 bucks. But if you look around, you can find different, just do a search for panel LED round light. These are designed to go in your ceiling, and they work perfect to convert your existing fixture. So let's do that now. The old halogen lights in here that I'm removing puts out an incredible amount of heat. So basically we're just getting rid of all this hardware. There's the bulb, the old halogen. So just remove the old fixture. You don't need the heat shield on anymore. This is for the heat shield for the wiring, so it wouldn't melt. And the new fixture is going to just sit right in here like this. Perfect. Just attach it with the supplied wire nuts. Perfect. Much safer, and it uses a lot of less electricity. These are 18-watt panel lights. I'll put the in the description of what exactly I bought. The lights that I bought I bought two of them. I did two lamps. They were around $8, $8.50 a piece. But a lot of times on Amazon I do the I'll check to see if it has used, like new or whatever, and I think these are normally like $20. They were, like I said, like $8.50 a piece. So I got them, and they seem to work fine. The other one, I did the other one a few weeks ago. Alright, it's a lot safer than the halogen, and I like these lights. I like this style. I like how it goes up to the ceiling and broadcasts the light out, illuminates out into the room. So, alright, thank you for watching.